Hello and welcome back to our new Republic Day quiz. We're going to show you questions, and you have to guess each in 10 seconds. Let's see how many you can guess right. Comment your score in comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Laughing Littles. Are you ready to play? Great, here we go.
When was the first Republic Day celebrated in India? The 15th of August 1950, the 26th of January 1950, the 21st of January 1947. Option B is the right answer. How many gun salutes are presented to the President on Republic Day? 21 gun salutes, 20 gun salutes, 24 gun salutes. Option A is the right answer. Who designed the national flag of India? Sardar Patel, Pingali Venkaiah, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B is the right answer. Where does Republic Day parade starts from? Red Fort, India Gate, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Option C is the right answer. Who is known as the father of the Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi.
Option B is the right answer.
Name the first person who was invited as the chief guest of the Republic Day parade in India from Pakistan. Malik Ghulam Muhammad, Mohammad Zahir Shah, Rana Abdul Hamid. Option A is the right answer. How many years has India celebrated Republic Day? 68 years, 75 years, 72 years? Option B is the right answer. What is the theme of the 2024 Republic Day Parade? India, Mother of Democracy, and Viksit Bharat, Technology Innovation, Women Empowerment. Option A is the right answer. Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Lal Bahadur Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose, Manmohan Singh. Option B is the right answer. Who is the first Indian woman to hoist the Indian national flag on Republic Day? Sarla Thakral, Kiran Bedi, Indira Gandhi. Option A is the right answer. What is the full name of B.R. Ambedkar? Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, Baldev Raj Ambedkar, Bhikhu Ram Ambedkar. Option A is the right answer. The Indian Constitution was prepared in how many days? 2 years, 10 months, 15 days. 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. 3 years, 5 months, 18 days. Option B is the right answer. Which dance form is showcased by a cultural troupe from northeastern India during the parade? Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Bihu. Option C is the right answer. Which national flower displayed prominently during the celebrations? Lotus, rose, jasmine. Option A is the right answer. In which city was the first Republic Day parade held? New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. Option A is the right answer. Who's the current president of India? Pratibha Patil, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu. Option C is the right answer. Who among the following is known as Mother of Indian Revolution? Sarojini Naidu, Pikaji Rustam Kama, Annie Besant. Option B is the right answer. What is the main attraction of the Republic Day parade? Religious parade, military parade, cultural parade. Option C is the right answer. What did the Paramvir Chakra replace when India became a republic? Elizabeth Cross, Victoria Cross, Victory. Option B is the right answer. Two newspapers had been started by Lokmanya Tilak for the Indians during the freedom struggle. One was the Maratha, name the other, Bharat Jiwan, Kesari, Asiatic Mirror. Option B is the right answer.
Thank you for watching. To enjoy more quiz challenge, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.